Hello, this is Jane in Reviews, and today I would like to review this free sample provided by Styla Hair Accessories. So there is a pack of 10 headbands. I'm wearing the pink, as you can see. It is so pretty, matching it with my blouse. So they are great, as you can see, for working out. They have different colors, but not only for working out, also they are great for formal attire. So this is where comfort meets something like athletic or formal. I like it also because I can put my hair up if I want to go for a jog or run, and then this will keep my sweat from dripping on my face. I like it also because they have many different colors, so you can basically match it with every outfit that you have. Mine is color variety, and they are great because right after using it in a sunny day, if you're sweaty, you can put it in the machine to wash it. They don't give me headaches, they don't press on my head a lot, so they are very comfortable and you're gonna like it. Thank you for watching my video.